Today is October 14, 2025, and I just want to let you guys know that I am on a new eval because last night I was basically gambling the account during Asia, and man, movement was so clean during Asia. Like price action has been really good this week, like really good, and we should expect it to be, continue being this good. I don't know what it is with this week, but it's really good. Like, it's not as choppy as you expect it to be. But yeah, so just letting you guys know, I blew the account last night. This is a new one. I was just gambling last night. I don't know why. I was really bored late at night. And so yeah, I was just gambling. And yeah. So with today, I'll show you my trade recap. I just wanted to let you guys know, being 100% honest and transparent with you guys, I just wanted to let you know I blew the account. And this is a new eval. Anyways, so coming into the market, what do I see? Right now, we're moving down, expecting to fill this gap, this opening gap. We did fill it, but this isn't during the session. So what did I want to see? So for me, I had this buy side. So we have a unfilled right here, and overall for me, I wanted to take out these buy side liquidity, right? And so if I wanted to be bearish, I want to take out these, come up to this high and then continue lower. Or if I'm bullish, we fill this gap and then continue higher, and then fill the gap and then maybe continue higher or lower, right? Obviously we react to what price gives us, what the market gives us, and sometimes it's not always what we want, but yeah, so that's my bias. Overall, we are bullish though, because like after news, what Trump said, price just went all the way down. So now that we're moving back to all-time highs, that, by the way, yeah, I believe we have equal highs here, so it's a pretty good draw to be bullish. We are also from we are also moving from sell side, right? So we have the sell side here. What is it? Boom, we're moving from sell side to buy side, right? So overall, I would say I'm bullish. I expect to price to fill this gap and then continue higher, basically. So yeah, so we're delivering from sell side, moving into buy side. And if we were bearish, we would be passing this 79% extension, right? So if we're below this price, we know, hey, we flipped order flow and we're bearish now. So far we're respecting it. We are at that 50 to 60% mark. I don't know why it's not showing there. I gotta change my colors, but yeah. So let's get into it. To market open. Let's go into 5. So boom, at 7:30 market opens, and then we start displacing lower, right? So we sweep this sell side and this sell side. So what do we want to see? A reaction of that price. So for me, if I was to enter on this leg, I would need a inverse, right? So the highest time frame inverse is 2. We have a 2, we have a 3, we have a 4 and a 5. So we would have to inverse this gap for me to enter this bullish gap or bearish gap, right? So let's just see what price gives us. So we don't end up displacing higher, but we do go lower, so which is fine with me. Then we just continue with price. So here we have a new lower high and then a lower low, and then we're basically want a new high. So over this, basically a break of structure. Oh, but for me, I want to go inverse. So we look for the highest inverse we have. There's a 1 minute, there's a 2 minute, no 3 minute on that leg, so a 2 minute right here that I marked down over here. I'll just remove this gap for you guys, that little green thing. So boom, we closed above that on this 2 minute, but I didn't want to rush this, right? Cause we do have sell side here, like all the way down though, right? We could possibly go here still, right? But I just wanted more confirmation. So on the 2 minute, yes, we inverse it, but I wanted to wait. See what I mean? We could go lower now or whatever. But on the 1 minute, I know it says I entered off that, but what is this called? We chop a bit and then we go up, right? So I guess I did enter off that 2 minute. So at this time, I know it says it's a bearish candle, but here it was bullish, and then another bullish candle, and then at this time it was bullish. That's why I entered up top there. Even though we inversed this already, I should have entered down here on this candle closure, but I entered higher because I just wanted more confirmation that, hey, yeah, we are displacing higher. So that's why I entered there. My stops were at this low, and then I just targeted a 5 minute gap, I believe. Yeah, so there's a 5 minute gap here where you could have taken profits, but I just wanted to hit our 1,500, like a halfway mark point for our what's it called, for us to pass our funded account. There's also I also put it around the 50% mark, around that part, around that much. But yeah, so I was satisfied with that. I really like this. I really liked our trade today. Like I said, price action is really good. So we just basically went straight to TP, and then I think we continue higher. Yeah. So we even sweep these. We have these more buy side, so possibly more higher. And yeah, see. So pretty good targets on draw of liquidity for me today. Yeah, if market continues to be this like simple and readable, like this week's gonna be great. We could literally pass tomorrow if price action was good. Like look at this. And let's get off replay. And so yeah, so we're almost at all-time highs. Oh no, we're not. Are we? No, we're not. But we did climb back up. So like I said earlier, right? We were at the 50, around the 60. Excuse me. We never went lower to 79%, so we're continuing bullish. We're back to bullish now, especially now that on the hourly, we're disrespecting bearish and respecting bullish right here. There's a gap here, right? I know we disrespected this, but we still have this gap here. We still have this bearish gap here, but it's been filled. So what can price do now? Since we're respecting this bullish, you can expect price to go higher, right? Now we have this 1 hour unfilled here too, right? So you can expect price to go high and then low again, respect the fair value gap, or if it doesn't, then we go lower, right, for our daily biases. But yeah, pretty simple trade for me today. I hope you guys took this W. Like, there was many retraces for you to enter, right? This is just an example, by the way. I did not take these other than the first trade. We have this 5-minute fair value gap, bullish. We can even check the 15. Yeah, so 15 to be more you know, safer. So 15, we wicked into it, and then basically from that we can say, hey, we look for an inverse. Here we didn't yet, but there's possibly a 2-minute. Where are we? No 2-minute, 3-minute. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, just for it to be easier. There's no 2-minute, there's no 3-minute, there's no 4, there's no 5. We have a 1 though, right here. Boom. Now did we inverse it? No. So we wait for the next leg. The next leg, no. But here we did. We broke that one. So boom. He would have entered here. Yeah, this is a replay. I just wanted to double check. Let's say 1 unit. Boom. Stops at these low. Take profit at these highs. 700 to these lows. That's a 1-to-1, and that's really all you need, right? If you want, you can target these unfilled 5-minute. Boom, another TP. Let's say we extend it there, but our original first TP is here, right? Boom, and then break even on this leg. Boom, break even, right? We're already at break even. We already hit our first TP, so we should be out of the trade, and this is a risk-free trade basically. But we ended up break even, but you know, just to prove that 1-to-1 is way better, you know. But yeah, we'll probably continue higher though. Yep. See? But yeah, there's just many retraces today. Like, I'll show you even more. On that retrace, you could have re-entered, right? These are just example, guys. Like, if you're missing trades, you can literally come back, right? Right here, another. Oh no, this was earlier. Nothing there. Let's see the 5. By the way, I only use 5-minute fair value gaps if I want a re-entry. So here's the one earlier, right? Here's another one, 5-minute. We didn't disrespect it to go lower. So boom, another one. And then here we disrespected, and yeah, it's just bearish now. And we're chopping. So these are just like examples of, you could have took trades, right? Like, we switched, the order flow is bullish, so you could obviously just take an enter on these fair value gaps. You know they're respecting it, and then you just continue higher, go for longs. But yeah, that's my trades today. Like, I'm not a professional or anything. Here's our trade. Show you guys proof. 1,500. And so yeah, we're up 1,500. We need 1,500 more to hit our profit target. Hopefully that's tomorrow, but I kind of want to risk down because our minimum balance goes higher. Like, it went up by how much we won, right? And that's pretty risky. So I don't know if I'll go back to minis or micros again tomorrow, but we shall see. Probably not. Like, if price action is really good, I'm gonna stay, right? win or lose. But yeah, that is my trade for today. I hope you guys had a winning day. Pretty simple day to be honest. And so yeah, that's my trade. Peace.